Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving out of Negril and we're heading towards Orange Bay on the western end of Jamaica. So we are on the northern coastal highway driving out of the town of Negril. Negril is a very popular tourist destination in Jamaica. It ranks among the top three. You have Montego Bay, you have Ocho Rios, and you have Negril. That's where you're going to find the majority of the hotels in Jamaica. So this is a northern coastal highway. It was built to connect Negril to Montego Bay, and then Montego Bay to Ocho Rios, and then Ocho Rios to Port Antonio. This road is basically it's to get people from Montego Bay, where the Sanctuary International Airport is, to Negril, where a lot of the tourists go, and also to Ocho Rios, because those are the three major tourist spots. Alright, so we're heading towards Orange Bay now. Now, Orange Bay is a small district between, when you're driving from Negril to Montego Bay, Orange Bay is going to be the first district you come upon. And when you turn right into Orange Bay and head up the hill, you go into Logwood. So Orange Bay and Logwood have a lot of residential homes. One of the reasons for this is land in Negril is very expensive, because everywhere you look in Negril, there's a hotel. Hundreds of hotels. For example, Rio, that has hotels all over the world, they have 2 in Negril. Sandals probably has 3 in Negril. You have Royalton, a lot of major hotel chains are in Negril, and that's because Negril has one of the nicest, if not the nicest, beach in Jamaica, which is the 7 Miles Beach. So it's a very popular tourist destination. So you find a lot of persons work in these hotels, and like 15-20 minutes drive on this road, which is a very nice road, you have Orange Bay and you have Logwood. So you find a lot of persons, a lot of residential homes in those areas, because the next major town between Negril and Montego Bay is Lucy, but that is a little drive up. So the first place or district where you're going to find residential homes is Orange Bay and then Logwood. So now with this large residential community, you're going to find supermarkets, bars, restaurants, transportation. You're going to find taxis, buses, those kind of things. So that is basically what Orange Bay is. So on the left now is the Caribbean Sea, and on the right is a lot of empty land that I'm sure will be developed one day as a tourism industry is being built out. And tourism is the largest industry in Jamaica. It earns more foreign exchange than any other industry. So that is why so much emphasis is placed on the North Coast and getting tourists from Montego Bay to Negril and Montego Bay to Ocho Rios. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. And we're actually going into Orange Bay now. And as we said, it's a small district. Alright guys, thanks for watching.